So Mimi's Pantry relies on the community and donations from within the community in order to continue to operate and feed the families of the Northland. Every single donation, no matter how large or small, makes a huge impact in this community. For about $5, we can feed an individual for approximately a week. We're relying upon volunteers to keep our shelves stocked and our pantry clean. Volunteers come in and make these tables beautiful so that our guests feel pride when they're in here choosing these healthy options. We are an agency with harvesters, so about 85 to 90% of the products in the pantry come from harvesters. But we also do grocery store recovery with Hy-Vee and Walmart. So a lot of our fresh options and our breads come from those resources.